For hotel guest rooms, you do not use Section 220.3 for sizing loads. Section 210.60 states that guest room load shall be determined by using the values given in Table 220.30, but it does not refer to Section 220.3. Therefore, you must follow Table 220.30 for guest room load calculations. Here's the sizing procedure. Firstly, determine the floor area of the guest room. Secondly, refer to Table 220.30 and identify the appropriate load per square foot for the type of guest room, for example, single, double, or suite. Thirdly, multiply the floor area by the load per square foot to determine the total load for the guest room. Here's an example. For a single guest room with a floor area of 200 square feet, if the load per square foot from Table 220.30 is 3 watts, then the total load is 200 square feet times 3 watts per square foot, which equals 600 watts. The sizing of loads for commercial spaces and guest rooms differs because guest rooms have specific occupancy and usage patterns. Commercial spaces typically require higher lighting levels and may have specialized equipment or appliances, while guest rooms are intended for temporary occupancy and have more standardized load requirements.